Love, this for all my boss days. Go through your boss days. Loving how you boss, babe. This for all my dreamers and my doers and all the entrepreneurs. Just believe in what you're doing and pursuing love. This for all my boss days. Go through your boss days.
What's up, boss fam? It's your boy DJ The Boss. I'm back again with another video. And I've been doing some self-reflecting lately. Over these last couple days, it's really hit me. I had to take a look at myself, and I was looking at the numbers and realized that my company hasn't been growing like I would like it to. I can't say that it's been on a steady climb like I'm used to seeing. It messed with me a little bit. It got me thinking about myself and my efforts and how I've been doing and how you guys could actually do a lot better than me. I don't think I'm doing incredibly great, because as I look at what I'm doing in my business and how I'm going through my life, I'm not going very hard. It's light work. Now, I'm not saying that to get to where I am is easy. At times it took extreme focus and some extreme consistency, but at the same time it's not difficult. It wasn't really difficult. I could have done more, and I know I could have done more. So I think if everyone was honest with themselves and ask yourself, can I be doing a little bit more? Can I cut out this particular Netflix show or series to study or research some more, or try to figure something out, or reach out to somebody? Can I be using my time a little bit more efficiently and spend a little bit more time on my business? You probably could. If you're really honest with yourself, you probably could be going a lot harder than you are now. And I say that because even for me, like, as good as things are going, I'm not going that hard. Like, I'm living the easy life. I'm coaching my kids' sports teams. I'm at every recital and event. I'm there for my family, whenever I need to be. I'm living the easy life. I'm comfortable. I'm picking up hobbies, and it's not like it used to be when I was starting this company homeless and not knowing where my next meal was gonna come from, let alone how I was gonna pay a bill. And I lost that hunger. Like, as of lately, I've noticed that I've lost that hunger. I'm comfortable with my situation, so it's got me soft. It's made me, all soft and mushy. Like, I'm not pushing anymore. And so I'm getting that back. I'm getting back to that. And I wanted to make this video because I want to motivate somebody out there. If anybody watching this sees this and realizes, damn, I'm not going as hard as I could be, and I'm not where I need to be. I'm not where I want to be in life, or I'm not where I want to be in my business, and I need to be going harder, and I'm going to start that today. Then this video was worth making it to me. So that's why I made this video, because I know I'm not going as hard as I possibly could, and I'm definitely going to improve that for the next few months, and just put my head down and work, and then see where I am when I pick my head up. But as for now, it's just gonna be working my ass off, getting back to learning, and like you all are doing, and doing research and looking up things and finding and clicking on videos like mine. So I need to get back to doing stuff like that, getting back into deep research on all these different topics that it takes to run a business, SEO, marketing, and ads, and budgeting, and all those things. I need to get back into that, and I want you guys to take that advice as well. So the same, like I said, I don't tell you guys anything because I don't feel like I'm anywhere special. I know I have some accomplishments, but there's no difference between you and me. Like, you can pass me up this year. Like, you can start tomorrow and pass me up by the end of the year. It wouldn't even be an unheard of thing to do. It wouldn't even make the news. So get on your shit, get to it. Get to it and hustle. Put your all into it. Research and get after it, man. Stop making excuses. Do all the things that you can do in that moment and get it all done. If you guys don't know, I released a resource for you guys. It is actually my cleaning proposal template. So if you don't have a way to present your business in a professional way to your potential clients, this isn't the contract, but this is the way to present. It's a presentation, so it's a way to present your business to your potential client, or your offer, or whatever you want to call it. It'll help you look a little bit more professional. You can just take out my branding, put your branding in it, put your company logo where mine is, and your company pictures where mine are. It will be a professional presentation that you can present to your clients and get bigger jobs. I still use it to this day to bid on $10,000, $20,000, even $50,000 a month jobs. So it's my gift to you guys. The link is in the description, so click on it and download it. I love you guys, man. I appreciate you guys being here. Thanks for 5,000 subscribers. I am super excited. I never thought that we'd get here, so I want to try to continue to provide as much value as possible, because this is the industry that saved my life. And I'm extremely grateful, and I want to be able to help somebody else out there. So we are definitely, trying to also monetize the channel. So if you guys want to help and support the channel monetarily, then become a channel member. I will be doing some things strictly for the channel members very, very soon. I'm so grateful for all of the channel members that are already there now. You guys are propping up the channel, so kudos to you. I love you guys the most. So shout out to the Boss family. I love y'all. Hope this brings you guys some value. Keep that boss mentality. Peace.